Do you remember this old thing? We called it a tank because we used it for pushing things around. We're going to take this tank and we're going to make it into a police car.
I think it's broke. You might as well have a big stupid engine, and that's kind of what we're doing here at the minute.
Hi, my name's Will. God inspired me to start Will's Wheels, and God inspired me to create these videos. We take retro and classic cars and we resurrect them from the dead.
Go ahead. Ollie, you ready?
Not really, but go for it.
Alright, get ready.
Right, go for it. Whoa! Look it up. More. Whoa.
What do you want? Alright.
Can you jack it on up a little bit? Here you go.
Yeah, go on ahead.
No, not yet.
Right, do your own from the first.
I don't know if we can get this on in.
Come on. Work. Come on.
Trust me, if it was that easy, I'd have it done by now.
Get one in and we'll put it together. How do you remove a door?
Jay, you've just missed the removal of the door, but I'm showing you now how to put one on.
How do you put one on?
You should stay and watch this. You get your very own Patrick, and he comes and holds it. And then you just start doing bolts until it holds, really.
And is it the 10 mils or is it the 13 mils? What
There's
ones are
actually
easier?
10 and 13 mils here. The 13s are a lot easier to get at, and the 10s are a little bit more tricky to get at.
But how easy is it to hang it using the 13 mils?
Well, me and Patrick here will have it done in about 5 minutes, all in, so you know, overall it's fairly easy for boys like ourselves, eh Patrick?
And will it be aligned properly using the 13 mils?
This is going to be a police car, so it's going to get a few dents anyway. What's being done here?
I am putting the locks, or not locks, the mobilizer kit out of the indestructible tank, if you remember all that. So the ECU and the mobilizer parts from the tank are going into this car then. So I need this chip out of the key. That's part one. If you do this here, then you can keep the lock set that is in the car originally, but change over the ECU set, and then I'll go in here and I'll change out the mobilizer unit. It's probably better if I don't show you this on film in case anybody tries to steal somebody's car. But it's really easy to do, actually. You know what you're doing. But I'll just blank this out.
So that's the white doors now fitted and our white boot lid fitted to make our car finally look a wee bit more like a state trooper or a police car. And we're halfway through fitting our brown interior here, so hopefully very soon it'll take shape and set of these to be ordered from BMW, a set of set of steel wheels. Anything else that makes it look like a police car? Yes, that's us. Finally starting to take shape.
Or Monday, whatever. No, I'm gonna finish it Monday. Sorry, tomorrow. Yeah, leave everything like this, no? Sound of the police.
Are you really in? William? Yeah. You're missing position 1. Oh, position 2. Huh? Yes, Christensen. Fixed it.
Yes.
Excellent. Pumpy, pumpy.
I can hear the pump.
Turn her on. Starter. I like it.
Before? Is it?
Fix the bit you disconnected.
What?
I fixed the bit you disconnected.
What?
Yep.
Why is it so red?
Huh?
Welcome to that.
I fixed it, Ali. I didn't break it. I fixed it.
Okay, call that in and
Hey, whoa. Nobody said do that. Lovely. This is all wet now.
That's what I told you. You just go to keep cranking that. Big wine.
Because that's how you bleed them.
Yes.
I know how to bleed diesel. I'm driving enough of them.
Okay.
Alright, give us the magic.
Right. No.
Start her up. That's pretty solid. Super. Turn it off. Cranker. I can't hear what you said, so. Well, if any time Ali goes to tell me anything, just start the engine, alright?
What? Hey, will you switch it off, please?
No.
Ja, pierdolę.
Trzeba tak powiedzieć.
Co tam, jak tam? Jak tam czarny?
Hi Jay. What are you doing? What?
No, mówię, że nie ma, co tam? Gdzie uciekłeś? Widzisz?
Nie ma.
This, we have started swapping over to the orange lights. There's still the facelift LED lights, but they have an amber indicator at the top. People in America or people in the Republic of Ireland will be wondering, why are we swapping over that? What do you want me? Because most cars in the UK came clears. The orange ones are very, very rare. But we got these out of a car that came from public of Ireland. It just really suited the look of this police car really well, because police cars tend to be sort of a weird spec, so that's why we're swapping all the lights over to orange, because it'll actually make it look more authentic as a police car, and just how it well look black on it as well.
Doing that, if you don't look like you do something.
I do different stuff. I do stuff that is not perfect.
Alright.
Yeah.
Look at this, that there, my hands are freezing, that there.
Here to show you the proof that it's sent to me. What do you think of that there for the police car?
In what colour?
That.
In
like
yellow?
That, like that.
Are you putting it above or below the black
It would
stripe?
be down below the stripe. Oh, here. I totally managed to convince a couple of girls yesterday that I was undercover policeman.
Yes, you convinced my bad move for today as well.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they were so badly talking about the police, I get pulled over in the cannons. They follow me.
Your brother was over and we said to him, don't go over that way, like you've only just gotten through today, you have the tax, yet don't go over that way. So of course he drives over there, and what happens when he gets pulled? He doesn't even make it there. He gets pulled over like a mile away, like only him.
Yeah. Hello. So we're just finishing taking the hub out, because the rose bushes, I just think so, we're calling them, most coming E39 problems. Do that. Done. More handy, replace the hub. Quicker. And straight away, if you're gonna buy one, just get one shaft. That's to have it handy in case original don't want to came out. So. Or the best option, do not buy the car. It's not about BM, do not buy the car at all.
I have a hand carrying these in just to pull them out of the box. Probably not need the knife to open it, but we'll see. Some man might have his child wrapped up for it. Well, wrapped, there's a box for you.
No jest taka dobra. A tu masz jej śrubki.
You see the bill is not fit.
So after many minutes of struggling, we decided we weren't going to be able to find a light bar near home, and the police weren't willing to give us one. We decided to send Will hundreds of miles through England to go and meet Neil. He had one that had came off an airport truck, so that's what's going on our police car.
So the white is the earth, the 12 volt negative. The yellow is your outer rotators. The brown does the centre sign, and half of the sign is red, half of it's white, so obviously when you mount it, red to the rear. And then obviously your blue wire is your blue rotators, and it's as simple as that. You've just got your three 12 volt positive supplies, and then the white is your 12 volt negative. Easy as that.
I was driving the police car up to the MOT a couple of days ago, and it started overheating and didn't figure out why until we opened the bonnet. And even though Jay had got the fan and the surround and all the rest of it. None of the stuff's on the front of the police car, even though we already put it all on, but it's all missing. It's not in the boot, it's just disappeared, and nobody's been working at it, so we can't figure out where the shroud went, where the fan went. You know, even this pipe's missing, so we're just pulling all this stuff off my car. Keep going. Yeah, I think that would do lovely.
You got far? Do you want to be brought home in a police car, Jay?
I thought that's what the whole point was.
You liked your last time, did you?
Yeah. I've never got to sit in front of a police car yet.
Oh, you're missing out.
Do you get to make the beeda noises? Or that's Stevie's job?
Start you joining wires and you can do whatever noises you want.
Well,
How you doing?
Andrew?
Andrew.
I'm well. How you doing?
Hi, nice to meet you. So that last book, is it all okay then?
But I mean, if you even want, you can stick them and stamp them and have a good thing like it.
There's another wee one you wanted added in as well, wasn't there? So it was this one here and then there was...
There's that one and then something for the quarters. Just can't remember what I...
So if we actually physically layer that on top of
Yeah,
the writing,
exactly.
later on. No problem.
And even if it does bleed through a wee bit on the yellow, it's fine because it'll look like more like it's been written on with
Yes,
a
yes.
piece of chalk or a pen or something.
No problem. Number can go right the way out.
Go right out the edges if you want it, but...
So much down anyway. 155 for the roof behind the light bar.
Mm-hmm.
And where are they going to?
These bits, these are on the quarter panels.
There's too many things.
I mean, my just are dead handy. Save our life, these things. Like.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, you're arse about the masking tape and
Yeah.
setting things on and.
The way we do usually. Trying to get things lined up.
Aye, that's all it is. Just move things about and
Yeah.
another. Take it back a bit.
Love it. Aye.
No, it's alright.
The door narrows
It's
down.
not parallel, yeah. So we're trying to figure out a happy medium to see where.
Mm-hmm.
I did a boy's car a couple weeks ago for me. Went in gonna buy a black Mercedes. I think in total has something like 18 or 19 hours into it. See the end of it. You can have you want, yeah. Just put away, see whatever you like. Yeah. Didn't know off the bag. The night I crashed the sitter. Laughing away today for that. Oh great, off my R pace in 2 days. This was great, can't wait, blah 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 blah. Round the corner in the ice. The whole road was gridded, but I forgot. There's a wee stream underneath that at one corner.
Right.
Sideways a 40-mile-an-hour into a ditch. Last week's was a Fiesta WRC car, a mini rally car.
You're going really well till now.
If you're polishing the car, don't prefer to slap a polish over the top of it too.
Right.
Just put a bit extra wee coat of glaze on top of it.
Uh-huh.
Which means that the UV, most of this stuff's all UV protected anyway.
Yes.
It just means that UV is kept off it a bit more. It means then that proper soaps, not very liquid,
No.
not any other cheap nonsense.
Yeah. When you talk soaps, you mean like just the normal stuff you'd be using on a car, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
If you're properly looking after a car,
Yeah. And you show vinyl like the paint just.
vinyl exactly same paint. Yeah.
That's what you look after. Because you often hear people saying that, you know, if properly looked after, but it really tells you.
What is
what
it?
is properly looked
Yeah.
after? Well,
So if you're looking after it like you were a paint job,
uh-huh.
you'll get 3 or 4 times the length of time that you would if you just lapped up our hose, water the brush and tried it with.
Yeah.
I'd say polish makes a great difference.
Okay.
I glaze, I put a ceramic glaze over the Corolla.
Uh-huh.
Over her wrap, just more of a test of anything else to see what I could tell other people when I'm doing my own work. I haven't touched it. Don't have to touch it. Beads like polished paint.
Uh-huh.
Beads like polished paint. Reacts like polished cars. It's 100%. Just let you know, it's a paint. Layers help.
Mm-hmm.
The more layers you have, the less time you'll spend having to correct.
Uh-huh.
That's good.
Are you happy?
It's good, yeah.
I was gonna say, do you wanna do any promotional? Do you wanna stick a wee sticker of yours on? Because I guess it's gonna be seeing this thing, so
I'll get one here now.
if you like. Uh-huh, with that. On police car and
Just
all.
find
there's
out how
that.
to look after a police car. Don't shoot at it.
Yeah. I just want to say thank you very much.
No problem.
That
No
was
problem at all.
brilliant. I really appreciate it.
No worries.
So we'll
Glad
get
to like it.
we'll get her shown off and make sure plenty of people see it.
Good stuff.
So we really
Good stuff.
appreciate you doing that for us. And
No problem. No
Yeah.
problem. Thank you very much for that.
we get the wee sticker on there so everybody knows
We
who
get
did
one.
it.
That's good.
Yeah.
That gets a bit of promotion then.
That's it. We make sure everybody knows who did it as well. Like, we really appreciate that.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Alrighty.
Alright, good
Good
man.
luck with the shoot.
We're just on our way back from having the graphics all done by Blackwater Graphics. If it was in America right now, I'd be saying, oh, we reached out to our buddies and all that stuff, but it wasn't quite like that. But no, they were very, very good, and they've done some class looking graphics, just exactly what was in my head when I set out to do this project. And I think it looks fantastic. The guys there did a brilliant job. It's really starting to look the part now. All we need to do now is just finish up the wiring of the electrics, and this thing is going to look amazing. And then we'll start putting it into use, start getting it out there, and start getting it noticed. One of the things that amazes me most actually about this car is how well it drives. There's no bangs or creaks or anything out of it. Considering what we built this out of, you know, bits of panels from this, an old chassis from that, you know, seats that we had laying around for years, an engine and box that came out of one of my old daily drivers that was absolutely wrecked.
Right. No, I'm not gonna stop you, no.
Stop us beside that paper.
No, don't have it on me, no.
You make car ready in your life?
Nothing.
Nothing in your
No.
car?
Yeah.
Insured by yourself?
Yeah.
Just pull in behind the seat there.
Okay.
Jay's not going to believe us, so.
You have no seatbelt, William.
You knock yourself out of the pictures, or about then I put my hazards on and
That's looks good.
Good, you're right. Any idea in it all?
nope. Nothing.